In this video, you are going to learn how you can set a privacy Facebook profile. What we will do is go to the menu. First, press Facebook. In here, touch your icon and to the slides and settings and privacy. Select privacy or settings. Below, we will look for audience and visibility. Preference, reaction, languages, audience, and visibility. Here, we touch how people find and contact you. Friends or friends of friends. And once inside, there is a series of questions to configure. We go back and do the same with histories. And now we are going to go to followers and public content. We configure them and pro-life and tagging. Here, select all kinds of information for self, set our pro-life, private, and finally we enter pro-life and labeling to configure to our legend. This is all, and don't forget to subscribe in this video.